Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty of Nature. There is lot of beauty in nature, but human I can't reach that beauty, so I'm going to show you some beauty of nature. Let's go. See, this is a water tank, and this is a plant of you. I think you know that this is banyan plant. See, this is banyan plants. This is cotton plant. This is cotton plant, and it have cotton seeds. See, it have cotton seeds. And see that banana plants, there is also lots of banana plants in the field. Now I am going to show you that. Now I am going to show you beauty of animals. See the bulls. This is a small bull. After few days it will become a big bull. We have reached at northeast from village Harankhede, sub-district Bodwad, district Jalgaon in Maharashtra, India. See the lake. This lake is called as Red Giant Lake because the lake soil has red color. See the water ecosystem. See the frogs. See that frogs, and see this ecosystem. See. It's constructed for storing water in rainy days. See how much big is it. Here are variety of trees. See, variety of trees this forest have. And these are our cows. That is maize crop. Okay, thank you friends for today. This is